Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Larry Estep with the Central Illinois Weather Network. We have a number of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect this afternoon for our area, including areas to the south as well near St. Louis. Let's go to the maps right away. I want to show you what we're talking about here. We have a tornado watch number 24 in effect until 7 p.m. this evening, basically from just south of Springfield, Illinois, throughout the rest of the state of Illinois, including the St. Louis area, the Missouri Boot Hill, down into portions of Paducah, Kentucky, and extreme western Tennessee, and even the northeastern portion of Arkansas this afternoon, as this line of storms you can see here on radar very vividly stretches just to the east of I-55, between I-55 and I-57 in Illinois, just to the east of the Bloomington-Normal area, down through Decatur, and now southwest to just to the northwest of St. Louis. Matter of fact, just in the past few minutes here, 1/4 to half-inch hail reported in Belleville, and that is in St. Clair County, just to the east of St. Louis. What we're going to be looking at throughout the rest of the afternoon is basically a severe threat that continues in this portion of east central Illinois to the east of Decatur, over towards Champaign-Urbana, and south to around Paris, Illinois. And then even further south of that throughout the afternoon, we're going to continue to see these storms fire up and continue to bring some very hefty rains through portions of Middle Tennessee, and this additional line of storms forming now in western Tennessee, marching across over into the Nashville area, and even Louisville, Kentucky. You could see additional severe weather. You've already had some today, some additional severe weather moving in by rush hour, as this line, the front you pretty much can draw right across the central portion of Illinois, races towards the east and brings a very noticeable change in temperature. As a matter of fact, we're looking at the possibility of some very strong snowfall developing, just some burst of snow, but you can kind of see here the very strong pressure gradient with this storm, the very tight lines over portions of Wisconsin and also over portions of eastern Minnesota is very indicative of a rapid change in temperature and very strong winds. We've had winds in excess of 70 miles per hour already with these storms today, and periods of heavy snow are going to start to develop throughout the afternoon, and they already are over portions of the Quad Cities, up through Rockford, and over through the Chicagoland area. As a matter of fact, blizzard warnings in effect for a number of areas up there, and the precipitation you see to the west of this watch, which is in the red outline, is snow. There's not a lot of it, but where it is falling, they have had visibilities down to less than 1/4 of a mile. So again, blizzard warnings in effect for a number of counties from the Quad Cities on to the northeast. And that's the area pretty much from the Quad Cities over through Milwaukee, even expecting a good chance of some heavy snow for a short while this afternoon. Looking on further into later on in the week, once we have this cold weather in place, which it's coming very quickly, it's going to stick around, and there is a chance now of a significant winter storm in the area from St. Louis eastward from Thursday night into Friday. But our particular concern this afternoon is this tornado watch, again, for portions of southern Illinois, including the St. Louis area. You're not out of the woods yet in St. Louis. Another hour or so you may be. Areas in east central Illinois under the gun for another couple of hours. The primary threat, very strong damaging winds, but the possibility of tornadoes as well. Stay tuned to the Central Illinois Weather Network throughout the afternoon for the latest weather information.